everybody, it's Ryan. Welcome back to How Farms Work. We are out at my place today. So yesterday I brought the JCB out and a stack of posts because today we're going to be going around the field out at my place, basically finding any post that we can and replacing it. So this weekend I went water skiing and there was this bear out on the river. And those dang water bears, I mean, I got into a fist fight with him. I tried my best to hold him off, but you should see the bear. There's pretty much nothing left of him. That's my story and I'm sticking to it, right, Anna? Absolutely. So Travis is on his way right now with the Bobcat. He is bringing out the bucket so that we can scoop some manure out of the barnyard down here. There is one post that we need to replace down by the water. That's kind of a very important one because that one gets a lot of pressure and it holds up the gates between the barnyard and the steer lot. So we're gonna replace that one. We've got the 4020 here with the shaver post pounder on the back. So I get a lot of questions about the brand of this, and it is a shaver, as you can see there. Grandpa had one on our old open station 4020 that was front mount, and I really like that one because it was easy to position with it. This one, it takes a little bit more messing around with to get it lined up right, I think anyway, but it still works just as good compared to trying to dig through the soil with all the rocks and stuff that we have. I don't know how well a post hole digger would work. I've always wanted to get one just because it would be nice to take the JCB down into some of these trickier spots and replace the posts down there that way. Otherwise we got to do them all by hand, and with how big this pasture is, there's a lot of places you can't get to. So we're gonna take the JCB out and start finding some posts to replace. This is gonna be a more laid back video. No drone flying today. We're gonna go until the rain starts because they're calling for rain this afternoon.
Getting closer.
Pretty simple and easy. Hey, you can see the water line.
Set it down at all?
What kind of snake is that?
Rat snake.
It's probably like a garden snake or...
There's how many different flavors.
Oh, it moved. It moved.
Yeah, it's alive.
It's alive.
Disgusting.
Yummy.
Come
He
on.
ruined its home. All right, you can find a new one.
Yeah, he's right here.
Yeah. Okay.
They have a scope in the weather, what are they actually calling for?
2 p.m.
As you say, high chance of rain.
Yeah, it's headed. I looked on the map. It's predicted it's headed.
Ryan was trying to French kiss a snake earlier. That was pretty disgusting.
Yep.
Imagine how the snake felt.
Bless you. Oh, that feels good.
Oh yeah, there you go.
Well, it
That
felt
breeze
nice
is
coming
good.
out of the house this morning until the humidity started.
Yeah.
So we switched which side we're going to be opening this gate on. It used to open like this, but we're switching it around to swing down that way because we found with the JCB over this winter we couldn't get into the barnyard, so we started feeding down here. So we've been coming up through here more. It might be easier to let the gate swing so that we can follow this fence up if we gotta. So that looks pretty good. We're gonna head over to the field over here, over in the corner. We want to put up an electric fence out in the field one of these falls to let my cows out there. The field fence needs to be completely redone in some spots, so we wanted to put an electric fence up there. We've tried electric fence before, it doesn't work when we try to pen them in like into half the field. So we want to run it just across the bad parts of the fence, and hopefully we can keep my cows out there and provide them a little bit more feed throughout the fall before we gotta start feeding them bales.
Put one every 10-15 feet.
Otherwise this fence is pretty much good all the way around.
We don't have to put it exactly where it was. Honestly, I think we're gonna put it right there. Just out a little ways.
Okay.
Because I don't know why it was over that far, but myself, I'd rather have it so the post is right here.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, now you can take it. That's not perfect. Anybody that tells you it's not perfect, tell them Travis already knew.
We should have a device for this. It's 100% better than what was there before, so.
There's rain right there. Almost looks like it missed us. Get carried away.
Get carried away.
Yes, get carried away. Stop.
Oh, it's probably good. Was that straight?
Straight now.
Good.
Down a little bit.
I don't mind working fence and doing this kind of weather, the low humidity.
Mm-hmm.
Just going.
Does it look straight across?
Yeah.
Just to me.
You gotta remember, it's only gotta turn cattle away for like a month. Good.
It looks so good. We're not even done yet. It looks great.
Sounds kind of stupid, but I'm actually looking forward to actually seeing some cows out here again. It's got the fence all the way around it. Oh, you're pulling the creosote out of the post.
The what?
Well,
That was good.
That looks awesome.
then somebody's gotta let me back into the barnyard. I gotta scoop up them posts that we left in the barnyard.
We just got back to the farm, so we're talking about putting in a fence to divide the lot below the pole shed to make handling the cattle a little bit easier, because we always have issues whenever we push them out there to get them back up into the pole shed. We want to divide that lot in half so that way we can just push them right back up, because whenever it's even just one of us, whenever we have the cattle down in there, we can't get them out because they always run back and forth between the two ends, which is never the side that they can leave out of. So we're talking about putting in a divider fence in there, and then we're also talking about taking out all those red gates that are below the pole shed and bringing in a wood fence or something to, whenever we're hauling steers out of the pole shed, to run them out and down and around and into the barn. Every time we do this, we always have to set up the red gates, because otherwise they go down into that lot and we can never really seem to get them to come up anymore. We never really had much of an issue with that before, but it seems like it's gotten worse trying to work with them to push them up into the pole shed and into the barn, just to push them out of that lot. They don't like to leave it a whole lot. That lot has eroded quite a bit because we've made the mistake of leaving them out there during heavy rainstorms, and they just tromp all the grass down, and then it just gets down to bare dirt. And especially a couple of years ago, we got heavy rains that made a big kind of gully in it. So that's pretty much it for this video. Just kind of wanted to record what we're doing today. In our next video, or I don't even know if I'll probably end up recording it, but we're planning on putting in divider fences, depending on how expensive wood is or anything else. Maybe we'll do it, maybe we won't. I don't really know. We're going to talk to Dad tomorrow and maybe price out some wood. So that's pretty much it for this video. Thanks for watching, guys. Be sure to check out all of our other videos. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And be sure to follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. All how farms work. And it looks like we beat the rain, which is a good thing, because I got to go down to Dubuque now. So anyway, I'll see you next time, guys.